Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a Vlookup to go and retrieve information stored on another sheet. I would like to be able to enter a reference number here like I have in A2, and I want Excel to go and retrieve the name and the salary from this other sheet's data. So where I want the answer to go for the name, I'm going to enter equals Vlookup. I can double click here, which will put the rest of the text in and open the bracket. First thing I need to do is enter the value that I'm looking up. So I want it to link to this A2 here, so I can either click into A2 or I can type it. Add my comma. To move on to the next section here, it's asking me for the table array. So I'm going to go to the sorting sheet and I'm going to highlight this table of data. Once you've done that, it's very important that you finish your formula here, because if you click back onto the other sheet, it will try and find the information in the other sheet. So I'm just going to put a comma there. The next part of the formula, it's asking for the column index number. Now, as we know, columns are lettered. The column number, well, I want the name, so that is held in the second column. So the reference number, that's the unique information I'm looking up, which always has to be stored in the first column. The name, if I want the first name, is in column 2. If I want the surname, it's in column 3. I'm going to put in the surname, I think, so I'm going to put a 3 in there. Then add a comma. And next, I put false if I only want it to find an exact match. So if I enter a reference number that doesn't appear in the list, it will give me an error message. Or I enter true if I want it to round down and find a similar one. So I'm going to choose false to ensure I get an exact match only. I'm going to use this tick to confirm. Excel will close my bracket for me automatically, and now it's gone and found that reference and told me whose name it is. If I change the reference, as long as that reference appears in the list, then that will change as well. So for the salary equals Vlookup open bracket, the value I'm looking up is still the unique reference, comma. My where, so I need to go to the sheet with the database on and highlight it, comma. Column number, so the salary this time is in my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th column, and then the comma false to ensure I get my exact match only. Tick to confirm, and that's how you do a Vlookup. I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.